Hello guys, you are watching Cpahacks. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share this video who all are needing CPA marketing. Okay, in this video we are going to see this is a simple trick, but most of the people are not trying this. I don't know why they are not trying this, but this is actually a working method which everybody means which most of the CPA marketing experienced persons are working on this. This video contains about Facebook Reels. Okay, Facebook is a powerful tool, and Facebook population is more than 2 let me check it, please wait. Facebook population 2.11 billion users are using Facebook. Okay, this is the main reason we are going to use this Facebook traffic, but we are going to upload the reels. Reels mean not like a simple reels. You are going to give a value for the customers, which means if the people get attracted by your content, which means in your reels, definitely he will start clicking the link and he will definitely submit the links. Definitely he will submit the tasks. Okay, let's see how we should do it. Okay, first we should open a CPA marketing platform. I'm going to use the cpagrip website. Okay, I'm going to use a new website. Okay, this is a new website in cpamarketing. Click on offer tools, my offers, select all country, select all country, and please select like email and zip submit. Okay, because most of the people will easily complete this tasks. Okay, so email and zip submission tasks will be much better. Okay, please wait a minute. Okay, then click on high payout. I think this is the high payout things. Okay, this is the highest paying task. For this task you are getting $3.42. Just click this and copy this link, then go to the website called as Canva. In this Canva we are going to edit the poster for the reels. Okay, click on create a design, and Instagram reels size will be okay for it because Facebook and Instagram reels both are same. So click on Instagram reels size page, then we are going to add a new content, which this content will be a attractive thing for the customers. We are going to give a content like free gift cards. Okay, click the link and complete the task and get your free gift cards. Okay, like this we are going to create. Okay, first go to Google, search for gift cards. Click on images, just download it. Okay, just download an image like this. Okay, then give a content. Like this you have to create a content. Okay, let's change the style. Okay, so this will be good. Okay, I'm going to create a simple because uh, if I go on clearly means this video will be extend more, so let me finish it quickly. Okay, so then click on save, download. Okay, mm, jpng. So yes, your picture has been downloaded. See, this will be the your real content. Now what you should going to do means go to Facebook. Actually I can't show this thing now because this is my PC. The reels upload option is only available in mobile phones, so please click on create reels and upload these reels and run a music background in this picture. Okay, run a music background in this picture and give a content like click the link in the description and complete the task and get your free gift cards. So automatically the people will click the link and they will submit the tasks and you will get some money from the cpagrip website. Okay, you should copy the cpagrip website CPA link, then you have to place it on your reels. This is how this is going to be work. Actually this is a simple trick but most of the people are avoiding this. I don't know why, because Facebook have 2.11 billion users. Okay, so you can get unlimited of traffic from this website, so please utilize it and start working on it. Then yes, as we already seen, we are running a private course thing in our Instagram. Okay, totally I think 76 people have been joined in our private session course. Many people have got their results and many people have started their next step towards their success. So if you have any doubts, please direct message me on Instagram, not related the course. If you have any personal questions or any personal doubts also, you can ask me there. Okay, if you're interested, definitely you can join in my private session also. And now I'm going to tell you a important thing, which means we are going to start a next level thing, which means we are going to start a new affiliate marketing journey. As you know, we are using an unbelievable tricks which nobody are teaching you in any places, but we are going to start a new affiliate marketing session. Okay, please do follow us on Instagram and subscribe me on YouTube also. Okay, and we have a personal Telegram channel also. I will give every links in the description. Please support that. Please share this video those who are need in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing also. Maybe from 27th December or 28th December we will start our affiliate marketing journey. From A to Z I'm going to teach you about the affiliate marketing. Okay, until then it's bye from CPA Hacks.